Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful tools in protecting your brand identity, trademarks. Think of trademarks as your brand's armor, shielding you from copycats and ensuring customers know they're getting the real deal. But what exactly can be trademarked? Let's find out. First off, what kinds of things can actually get trademark protection? They can be words, slogans, symbols, and product names, or even sounds. For example, the three-tone chime of NBC, trademarked. McDonald's Golden Arches, also trademarked. That catchy slogan, "Just do it," yep, also a trademark. Even colors can sometimes be trademarks if they're strongly associated with a particular brand. So think of Tiffany & Co. and their trademark color Tiffany Blue, which is found in all their packaging and marketing. Even scents and taste can in some unique cases function as trademarks. The key is that it has a uniquely identify the source of your goods or services. So imagine you open a new coffee shop and come up with a really cool name and logo. That name and logo are how your customers will recognize your coffee shop and distinguish your coffee from others providing coffee. By trademarking your name and logo, you can prevent the other coffee shops from using a trademark that is too similar and potentially profiting off of your hard-earned reputation. Now you've made an awesome name or logo, what's the next important step? It's doing a trademark search. Think of this as your homework. Before you commit to a trademark, you want to make absolutely sure that no one else is already using something similar for related goods or services. Why is this so important? Well, you're spending a lot of time and money building your brand around your trademarks. If you find out later that someone else already has the rights to a trademark, you could be forced to rebrand, which could be incredibly costly and confusing for your customers. A thorough trademark search can save you a lot of headaches and money down the road. It's like checking if a location has already been taken before you build your house there. You wouldn't want to build your dream house, then find out that someone else already owns the land and you have to move. A trademark search helps you avoid similar ownership conflicts in the branding world. The search involves looking through existing trademark databases like the records of the United States Patent and Trademark Office. You'd also want to check for common law rights, trademarks that are being used but are not officially registered. So finally, let's clear up the difference between those little symbols you often see next to brand names and logos, the TM and the R with a circle. The TM symbol stands for trademark. You can actually use the TM symbol right away. You don't need to have an officially registered trademark. It's a way of saying, hey, we're claiming this as our brand identifier. Now the circle R symbol is different. This guy stands for registered trademark. You can only use the R with a circle around it symbol after you've officially registered your trademark. It's like a badge of honor. It tells the world that your trademark has been through the official process and you have the legal rights to it nationwide. So remember, you can use the TM as soon as you start using a mark, but you can't use the R with a circle around it until your trademark is officially registered. Trademark registration is not required, but it gives you much stronger legal rights and protections across the country. So whether you're launching a small online business from your home or you're developing the next big tech innovation, protecting your brands with trademarks is a smart move. It's about safeguarding your hard work and ensuring that your customers can easily identify and build trust in you. If you're thinking about your business's branding or have questions about trademarks, feel free to reach out. If this has been helpful, please hit the like button, share it with anyone who might find it helpful or interesting. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights into securing your intellectual property, and we'll see you on the next one.